So I'm a big fan of geeking out on numbers, and so I have decided to go for a drive with the family, and we are going to take 3 measurements for sound. Right now the van is bare, empty, no headliner, no anything, and we were driving the other day and I forgot how loud these vans are when they're not done. So we are going to go for a drive, and Joel's going to take a measurement in the passenger seat, in the crew seat here, and then in the very back, and see what numbers we come up with, and then we're gonna compare that to kind of different stages of the build. So we'll keep you posted on what that sounds like. Okay, we are now going like 100 on the highway, and I am in the front seat. Here is the bench going 120 or 100 on the highway. And again, 100 kilometers an hour in the very back on the highway.